The Supreme Court has today stayed the demolition of the Supertech buildings in Noida. The Apex Court has declared the earlier decision of the High Court as illegal. The Supreme Court has ordered status quo on an order to demolish Supertech's two under construction 40-story towers in the Emerald Court project of Supertech. The recent decision has been taken by Chief Justice R.M. Lodha, who issued notices on a batch of petitions by the builder, the Noida Authority and home buyers. All parties have been asked to maintain status quo. The SC has restrained Supertech from alienating any part of the building or creating any form of third-party interests. The court was today hearing the builder's plea for immediately staying the Allahabad High Court order on demolition of towers Apex and Sian being stayed. Notably, real estate developer Supertech has filed an appeal against the High Court's verdict. The two towers have 857 apartments in total. Of these, about 600 flats have already been sold. The petitioner has clarified the towers were being built as per approved building plans.
The Honorable Supreme Court has granted status quo in the Supertech case. The High Court order has, of course, the Honorable Supreme Court has commented that it is illegal because both buildings, earlier there was a approval up to 24 ground plus 24 stories. So, because High Court has ordered the demolition of both the buildings from ground itself. So, Supreme Court has found that High Court order is illegal. It cannot order the complete demolition of both the towers. So, at present, the Honorable Supreme Court has granted a status quo as on date. The buildings are sealed, both towers are sealed, and there will be no construction. Also, the Supreme Court has directed that any buyers, they will not transfer or alienate any property to any other person to create a third-party interest.
Members of the RWA are for now a satisfied lot.
So there is absolutely nothing, no verdict as such, no judgment. It has just been stayed because of the involvement of so many buyers and all.
Only an interim relief has been given for demolition. The court has ordered status quo, no further constructions, no further transfer of property from one man to another. No, absolutely there is no other thing except that the demolition will be stopped till hearing of this case. As regards stories are concerned, the court was quite emphatic that it should not be more than G plus 11.
They are fully convinced.
They are fully convinced that it should not be more than G plus 11, which was originally planned in the layout plan of 2006. As such, we are fully satisfied with the interim orders and the proceedings will follow.
हमने ये बताने की कोशिश करी कि हमने जो बिल्डिंग बनाई है विद इन दी बाइलॉज और एज पर दी अप्रूव्ड प्लान बनाई है और अथॉरिटी ने उस चीज़ को माना है कि यहाँ हमने जो नक्शे पास किए हैं वो करेक्ट पास किए हैं। तो आज इस सब को देखते हुए ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज उसको स्टेटस को किया है और मैं समझता हूँ ये बायर के लिए और हम सभी लोगों के लिए बहुत ही रिलीफ का मैटर है। और चूंकि इसके अंदर हम लोग दोबारा से ये कहना चाहिए क्योंकि किसी तरह का कोई वायलेशन नहीं है तो हमको पूरी उम्मीद है कि हमें इसको जरूर जस्टिस मिलेगा।
This report was brought to you by NNIS.